Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how to retrieve the InvoiceNow submission status using ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect, allowing you to verify invoices sent to IRUS via the InvoiceNow network. To begin, click on the Sales Register from the Command Center. From the list of records, locate and open the invoice that has been sent via InvoiceNow. Once the invoice is open, click the icon at top right of the window to access the detailed submission status of the selected invoice. The first indicator, labeled Network, PEPL, reflects the status of your InvoiceNow submission. The second indicator, labeled Network, SGI-RUS, represents the status of your GST InvoiceNow submission. Together, these indicators serve as digital evidence that your invoice has been successfully transmitted and processed through the InvoiceNow network. We hope this guide helps you manage your digital transactions with greater clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching.